thunderstorm. Oh hey! I saw another one. We were thunderstorms. I see another one. It's right there.
Oh, really? Cool.
Thunderstorm. I'm glad to thunderstorm. I'm glad to thunderstorm. I like one, two. It is. Oh, it's still thunderstorm. No, I heard it. I heard the thunderstorm. You saw this thunderstorm? We need to see. I'm recording thunderstorms.
You are?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Thunderstorms is better. Yeah, wonderful. It's a big one.
Was it a big one?
Yeah.
Nice.
It was nice to find a thunderstorm. 2 thunderstorms. Oh, another one. I'm gonna find another thunderstorm. Wonder bows. Another thunderstorm coming right now. Is it coming? Wait. I love thunderstorm. Yeah, I like recording thunderstorm. Another one. I'm recording
You're going to have a good video. A lot of them.
Yeah.
A lot of lightning?
A lot of lightning thunderstorm. A lot of lightning thunderstorms. Oh, I heard it. I saw it. We didn't hear the thunderstorms. Thunderstorm. I heard it. I saw another one.
You did.
Yeah.
Noise.
No noise. Noises? If you subscribe, I will see another thunderstorm. So thanks for subscribing me. You subscribe to me. Please make it another thunderstorm so I can get 1,480 subs again. Another thunderstorm. Another one. Please subscribe so I can hit 1,480 subs. Another one. Another thunderstorm. I love thunderstorms. Thunderstorms is better. So subscribe. If you subscribe, the thunderstorm will come. Thanks for subscribing now. The thunderstorm's already come. I have 1,479 subs. But if you subscribe, I will make another entire thunderstorm video. So subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. Now I have 1,480 subs. Now the thunderstorm's coming. I made another thunderstorm. More thunderstorms, guys. I'm gonna get 1,004. Thanks for subscribing. Now I need 1,482 subscribers. I have 19 more. Another one. Thanks for subscribing. Now I subscribe so I can get 1,483 subs. you now. Now the thunderstorms now coming out. Now I have 1,408. Another one. Now it's getting. Now I have 1,485 subs. Another one. A thunderstorm is windy, so I have 1,487 subscribers. I'm almost to 1,490. Oh, another one. The thunderstorm is windy because I have 1,489. One more subscriber until I hit 1,490. Almost 6 minutes of this. So I'm gonna end it before 6 minutes.